Welcome back, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of highlighter brushes, where we'll unveil the top 5 picks that promise to take your glow game to the next level. From affordable options to high-end selections, we've got you covered. If you've been struggling to find the perfect brush to achieve that flawless highlight, fret not, because we're here to solve that problem for you. So, grab your notepads and let's get started on this illuminating journey. At number 1 position, we have Wet n Wild Highlighter Brush. Wet n Wild brings us a gem with their highlighter brush, designed to deliver seamless application for that coveted lit-from-within glow. Key features. Crafted with synthetic bristles, this brush boasts a tapered design that effortlessly picks up and deposits the right amount of product onto the skin. Its sleek, ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control during application. Benefits and usage. Achieve precise placement and seamless blending with this versatile brush. Whether you prefer a subtle glow or a more intense highlight, this brush allows for buildable coverage without streaking or patchiness. Usability. Suitable for both powder and cream highlighters, this brush seamlessly glides across the skin, imparting a natural radiance that lasts all day. Durability. Built to withstand regular use and washing, this brush maintains its shape and performance over time, making it a reliable addition to your makeup arsenal. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Real Techniques Highlighter Brush. Real Techniques presents their highlighter brush, a game-changer in achieving that enviable luminosity. Key features. This brush features ultra-soft, cruelty-free bristles that are densely packed to effortlessly sweep and blend highlighter onto the skin. Its unique shape allows for precise application on targeted areas of the face. Benefits and usage. Experience a seamless application process with this versatile brush, whether you're aiming for a subtle glow or a more intense highlight. Its ergonomic handle ensures optimal control for flawless results every time. Usability. Compatible with both powder and cream highlighters, this brush seamlessly buffs product into the skin, creating a flawless, radiant finish that lasts throughout the day. Durability. Crafted with high-quality materials, this brush is designed to withstand frequent use and washing, maintaining its softness and shape for long-term performance. The number 3 position is held by Lorac Pro Highlighter Brush. Lorac Pro introduces their highlighter brush, designed to elevate your highlighting game with professional quality results. Key features. Boasting a luxurious design, this brush features ultra-plush synthetic bristles that are expertly angled to effortlessly apply and blend highlighter onto the skin. Its sleek, tapered shape allows for precise placement and seamless blending. Benefits and usage. Achieve a flawless, luminous complexion with this versatile brush, whether you prefer a subtle glow or a more intense highlight. Its ergonomic handle provides optimal control for effortless application. Usability. Suitable for use with powder and cream highlighters, this brush effortlessly buffs product into the skin, imparting a natural radiance that lasts all day without fading or creasing. Durability. Built to last, this brush is crafted with premium materials to withstand regular use and washing, ensuring long-lasting performance and impeccable results. Next, at number 4, we have Essence Highlighter Brush. Essence brings us their highlighter brush, a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality or performance. Key features. Designed with soft, synthetic bristles, this brush features a tapered shape that effortlessly deposits and blends highlighter onto the skin with precision and ease. Its compact size makes it ideal for on-the-go touch-ups. Benefits and usage. Achieve a flawless, luminous finish with this versatile brush, whether you're aiming for a subtle glow or a more intense highlight. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable and controlled application. Usability. Compatible with both powder and cream highlighters, this brush seamlessly buffs product into the skin, creating a radiant complexion that lasts throughout the day. Durability. Despite its affordable price point, this brush is crafted with durable materials that maintain their shape and performance over time, making it a reliable addition to your makeup collection. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by EcoTools Highlighter Brush. EcoTools presents their highlighter brush, an eco-friendly option that delivers professional quality results without compromising on sustainability. Key features. Crafted with cruelty-free synthetic bristles, this brush features a tapered design that effortlessly sweeps and blends highlighter onto the skin for a seamless, luminous finish. Its bamboo handle provides a comfortable grip for precise application. Benefits and usage. Experience effortless application with this versatile brush, whether you prefer a subtle glow or a more intense highlight. Its ergonomic design ensures optimal control and precision. Usability. Suitable for use with powder and cream highlighters, this brush buffs product into the skin for a natural, radiant complexion that lasts all day without fading. Durability. Made with sustainable materials, this brush is not only eco-friendly, but also durable, maintaining its softness and shape even after repeated use and washing. And there you have it, beauty aficionados, our top 5 picks for the best highlighter brushes on the market. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, these brushes are sure to elevate your glow game to new heights. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which brush caught your eye, or if you have any other recommendations. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips, tricks, and reviews. Until next time, stay glowing!